What up guys, it's Landon here, and today we're gonna be, I have no clue, memory foam me, she's gonna go away. Memory foam, birds. Here, I need to carry this.
I love the ocean. Oh no. Advertising. Pathetic. The things brands do to advertise to boys. Ridiculous. Cheryl, I am so glad I can talk to you about the responsibly fresh smell of Old Spice wine collection. Buy Old Spice fresh.
Want to make slime? Start with Elmer's.
Pour in Elmer's glue, a tablespoon of baking soda, add color, add contact solution. Whoa.
Get Elmer's. Try our kid-friendly slime recipes today.
Hey, Flatty!
Hey,
It's a free market!
really? You can play that game. How about this? And that's how we got confetti stuck in his ears.
Huh?
Get in on the mix-up car.
Okay.
Looks like today is your shopping day. You can come in for Play Wednesday. Just $14.99 only at Chuck E. Cheese's.
Fruitocracy. For the free.
Fruitocracy.
And free to be unique. The squeezable fruit pouch made from the real fruit you want and free of what you don't. Fruitocracy.
Fruitocracy.
Here you and your friends can create your own movies. In Design Studio, you can design your own costumes and clothes. Why not be creative with an art book and share it with friends? Be a star on MovieStarPlanet.com. Parents will be involved during sign-up payment with 10%.
Guys, sign up.
Cartoon Network's Summertime Collectathon.
Movies.
Open up your Magimobile app because it's almost time to collect another Cartoon Network Magisaur.
Is this the one where they...
Who's your best kitty? Give me a little kissy. Oh, no.
I'm loving these snuggles, y'all. And I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Who loves you?
Friend Cyborg, would you care for the liquid chocolate that has been added?
Hey, where are the tiny marshmallows?
Oh, they are in there. Look closer.
So guys,
So tiny.
if y'all don't know Leatherface,
I never
he was back in 1963 in Heather's Not Real. And Jason, he never moved. He burned. He burned with them.
A crime alert. Ow.
The villains are
The
always bringing the war
1978
with
movie,
Why do our
it's
lives
actually
have to
the
revolve
real
around their
people.
schedule? Because when villains call, it is our job as heroes to answer that call. Titans go. Now you my little one, and you get your best rest.
So yeah, Jason, Heather was never real. Heather was never real in the Chainsaw Massacre. Never real. Never real.
Okay, Hive, let's get